two resistors of resistance R and capital R are connected in parallel, the value of R is less than capital R. Value of R is less than capital R. Okay. Which statement about the combined resistance of the two resistances is correct? That's what is the question. So to do such kinds of problems, I always suggest you to assume some values over here. Since R is less than R, put R equal to small 2 and this one to be capital 3. So 3 over here, 2, 1, 3 over here, right? So definitely 2 is less than 3. My bad, I said small 2 and capital 3. Okay, let me start this, right? Okay. So therefore, now what is the effective resistance? Combined resistance is nothing but 1 by RT is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM, which is 6. So here it will be 3 plus 2, which would be equal to 5 by 6. So R total will be equal to 6 by 5, which is equal to how much? 5 ones are and 10 balance, 5 twos are 10, 1.2 ohms over here. Now you see, you write down here 1.2, 1.2, 2 and 3. Now let us read this. It's between R and capital R. Is 1.2 between 2 and 3? No. So this is incorrect. Equal to R plus R? Definitely no. It's greater than R plus R? No. So the final answer is less than R. That is also seen to be true. So you may argue saying that, okay, you took this values. How about if I take 5 and 7? Even then the same thing happens. Okay. So it's true for all the integers. So as a result of it, this will be true over here. Okay.